Skype is a simple and intuitive application that does not pose any language barriers in comparison to other video calling applications, thanks to the real-time translation feature available in both calls and chats. In addition, Skype allows you to activate live subtitles too during voice calls. As with Google Meet, in Skype you can share your screen in real time. To use Skype you need to follow different steps. First, you need to enter the website www.skype.com/en in order to download the app by clicking on the Install button. Afterwards, a welcome screen is displayed. There you have to click on the Let's Go button and then on Sign In or Create. You can use your email contact credentials and phone number for registration.
To continue, you must create your password and click Next. Then, enter your first and last name and the required personal information and click Next. After that, you will receive an email to verify your email address. You will also need to enter your phone number and continue with the verification process by entering the code that is sent to your phone. Once this is done, your Skype profile will be active and ready to be customized to your liking.
If you want to chat with someone through Skype, you can search for other accounts in the search box. If you find someone who knows you, click on their account and start chatting or initiate a video call. Once you have chatted or video called a person, his profile will be saved in your chat menu for further chats. If you want to create a group chat for a meeting, click on the New Chat button and select New Group Chat. Then you need to enter the name of the group and you can choose an image for the group's profile. For inviting people to the group, select them from your chat menu and click Done. If you want to start a group call, you need to click on the camera image at the top of the screen. Afterwards, you need to click Start Call to enter the video chat call. If someone cannot join the chat, you can invite them via a link. You need to click 3 vertical dots at the bottom of the screen on the right side and click Invite, then copy to clipboard and send it to other people. To exit any call, you need to click the Exit option. For activating subtitles, click on the 3 horizontal dots at the bottom of the screen and select Activate Subtitles and enjoy the subtitles.